Vera Beauty and Fashion College, the leading technical training college offering courses in cosmetology, hairdressing, beauty therapy, event decor, and fashion design. Usiwe na stress ya kusoma kabisa. Training products na materials ziko provided at no extra cost. Imagine, register sahi, uanze the journey of a fulfilled career in this booming creative industry. Visit any of our branches in Nairobi, Thika, Eldoret, and Mombasa to get the latest offers, or you can call 0704 577 577. Usingoje kupigiwa story, register sahi. Vera Beauty and Fashion College, a center of excellence.